Speak English like a native in 1 week. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, stretch your arms, and look at yourself in the mirror. Today is an important day. You're going to meet someone special, maybe a friend, a teacher, or even someone you secretly admire. But there's one problem. You don't speak English fluently. Your heart races. Your mind freezes. You start sweating. What if they ask you a question? What if you don't understand? What if you say something wrong and they laugh at you? You shake your head. No. This can't happen. You've been trying to learn English for years. You still struggle. The words don't come out right. The pronunciation feels awkward. The confidence? It's nowhere to be found. But then, boom, something changes. A secret is about to be revealed. A secret that will make you speak English fluently, confidently, and naturally in just 1 week. Sounds impossible? Keep reading. The English Fluency Secret. Why do some people learn fast? Think about this. Why do some people learn English so quickly while others struggle for years? Have you ever met someone who speaks like a native even though they've never lived in an English-speaking country? How do they do it? Is it because they're smarter? No. Do they have a special talent? No. Are they using some hidden technique? Yes. And guess what? You are about to discover that technique right now. But first, let's break a huge myth about learning English. The biggest key to learning English. People often say, you need years to speak fluently. Grammar is the most important thing. You have to memorize thousands of words. Wrong. Do babies study grammar? No. Do toddlers memorize 10,000 words before speaking? No. Then why do they speak fluently? Because they use a different method, the natural way. The secret is, you have to learn English the way a child learns their first language. Sounds interesting? Keep reading, because the real fun is about to begin. Day 1. Stop studying like a student. Day 1. Stop studying like a student. Yes, you heard that right. If you study English like a student, you will never speak like a native. Stop memorizing long grammar rules. Stop translating words in your head. Stop overthinking. Instead, do this. Listen more than you speak. Copy native speakers like a parrot. Speak without fear. Make mistakes and laugh about them. Imagine this. You're in a cafe. Someone asks, hey, how's it going? Instead of thinking about grammar, you simply reply, great, what about you? Smooth, easy, natural. Day 2, the shadowing trick, like a native. This technique is mind-blowing. It will change the way you speak forever. Here's how it works. Find a short English audio, movie dialogues, interviews, or YouTube videos. Play the audio and repeat immediately after the speaker. Learn their pronunciation, tone, and speed just like a shadow. No writing, no translating, just listening and learning. Sounds simple? Yes, but it's super powerful. Try this for 30 minutes a day, and by the end of the week, you'll sound just like a native speaker. But wait, day 3 is even crazier. Day 3, the mirror trick. Talk to yourself. This sounds funny, but it's a game changer. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, it works like magic. It works amazingly. Why is this powerful? Because it helps you. See how you move your lips, hear your own pronunciation, gain confidence in speaking without fear. Imagine standing in front of a mirror, saying, hey, I speak English fluently now. I sound amazing. And guess what? If you believe it, your brain will make it true. Still with me? Good! Because day 4 is where the real fun begins. Day 4, the friends learning. Make English fun. Ever noticed how kids learn languages fast? It's because they play, laugh, and enjoy it. So let's do the same. Watch English movies without subtitles. Listen to English songs and sing along. Talk to your friends in English, even if it sounds funny. Turn English into a fun experience. And soon it won't feel like learning. It will feel like living the language. Now get ready for day 5 because something big is about to happen. Day 5, the confidence explosion. Because they are scared of making mistakes. But guess what? Mistakes are good. They help you learn. From now on, whenever you make a mistake, say, oops, that was funny. Let's try again. Laugh at your mistakes. Enjoy the learning process. Because confidence will make you sound more natural than perfect grammar ever will. Now, are you ready for the big reveal? The final twist, the native mindset. You are already fluent. Here's the truth. The moment you stop worrying about mistakes, the moment you start speaking with confidence, the moment you enjoy the process, you become fluent. It's not about knowing every word. It's about thinking like a native. Because guess what? Fluency is not about speaking perfect
English, it's about speaking English confidently. The moral of the story, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being fearless. If you follow these steps even for 1 week, you will see a huge difference, and in a few weeks you'll sound like a native. So what are you waiting for? Start now. And remember, speak more, study less. Confidence is your superpower. Mistakes are your best teachers. Have fun, and English will come naturally. You don't need years to learn English. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need the right mindset. So go out there, start speaking, and own your English journey. Final question. Are you ready to speak English like a native in 1 week?
Yes, then let's do this daily English practice for beginners. Imagine this. You wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining, birds are singing, and everything feels fresh. You stretch your arms and say to yourself, "Today is the day I will practice English." You feel excited. You grab your phone, open a learning app, and try to read a few sentences. But suddenly, boom, a problem appears. You see a word you don't understand. You try to pronounce it, but it sounds weird. You open the dictionary, but there are too many meanings. Your mind feels confused, and you start thinking, why is English so hard? Your excitement fades. You close the book. You tell yourself, maybe tomorrow. Stop right there. Don't let this happen to you. Learning English can be easy, fun, and fast. But you need the right plan. And guess what? Today you will get a simple daily routine that will make you better at English every single day. Sounds exciting? Keep reading because the best part is coming. Morning routine. Start your day with English. The way you start your morning can change your entire day, so let's make English the first thing you do in the morning. 1. Speak to yourself. The secret to fluency: before you even get out of bed, say 5 simple sentences in English. For example, good morning. Today is a great day. I am learning English and I am getting better. I will practice speaking and have fun. This small habit will make your brain think in English all day. 2. Listen to something easy while getting ready. Play an easy English podcast or a short conversation video. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen. Your ears need to hear real English every morning. It will help you learn new sounds and words without even trying. 3. Read a few sentences. Take 2 minutes and read something simple. Maybe a short news article, a quote, or a funny joke. Reading in the morning helps your brain remember words better. And guess what? You will start using those words naturally in conversation. Afternoon routine: practice without studying. Afternoons are busy, right? Work, school, house chores, no time to study English. But wait, there's a trick. You can practice English without extra time. 1. Change your phone language. Set your phone to English. Every time you check your messages, settings, or social media, you'll see English words. It's a simple way to learn new words naturally. 2. Name things around you. Wherever you are, look around and say the names of objects in English. For example, this is my chair. That's a beautiful window. I need to drink water. This easy trick helps your brain think in English without effort. 3. Use English for fun. Love music? Listen to English songs and sing along. Like watching videos? Watch English vlogs or comedy clips. Enjoy games? Play English word games or quizzes. The secret is to make English fun. When you enjoy it, you learn faster. Evening routine: speak, write, and think in English. Evening is the best time to practice speaking and writing because your brain remembers things better at night. 1. Talk to someone in English. No English-speaking friends? No problem. Talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and speak for 2 minutes about your day. Today, I learned 3 new English words. I watched an English video and understood most of it. Speaking aloud every night will boost your confidence and improve your fluency. 2. Write 1 short sentence before going to bed. Write 1 simple sentence in English, just 1. For example, today was a great day. I practiced speaking, and I feel more confident. After a week, you will see how much your writing improves. 3. Think in English before sleeping. Before you close your eyes, think about 1 thing in English. It could be a word, a sentence, or even a funny moment from the day. Thinking in English before sleeping will make your brain stronger in English overnight. The final twist, the secret to fast learning. You might be thinking, can I really improve my English just by doing these small things? The answer is yes. Why? Because small habits repeated every day create big results. Imagine this. 1 month from now, you wake up and something feels different. You start speaking without thinking too much. Your pronunciation sounds better. You understand English faster. And then boom, one day someone tells you, wow, your English is really good. You smile because you know the truth. It wasn't hard. It wasn't boring. You just made English a part of your daily life. The moral of the story, you don't need a textbook. You don't need to memorize 1,000 words. You don't need to study for hours. You just need a simple daily routine. Follow these small steps every day, and soon you'll be speaking English confidently and naturally. Are you ready? Then start today. Improve English pronunciation at home. Imagine this. You are standing in front of the mirror. You take a deep breath and say a sentence in English, but something feels wrong. The words don't sound clear. Your tongue feels stuck. You try again, but it still doesn't sound right. You sigh and think, why is my pronunciation so bad? You try to copy the way native speakers talk, but their words are too fast. You watch English movies, but the accents confuse you. You practice alone, but you're not sure if you're saying things correctly. Suddenly you feel frustrated. You think, maybe I'll never sound natural. Wait, stop right there. What if I told you that you can improve your pronunciation at home easily, quickly, and without stress? Yes, you read that right. Today, you're going to learn fun and simple ways to make your pronunciation better every single day, without a teacher, without stress, and without leaving your house. Are you ready for the secret techniques? Keep reading because the best part is coming. Morning routine. Warm up your mouth. Just like athletes warm up their muscles before a game, you need to warm up your mouth before speaking English. 1. Practice tongue movements. Stand in front of a mirror. Move your tongue left, right, up, and down. Stretch your lips into a big smile, then make a small O shape. These simple exercises will relax your mouth and help you speak smoothly. 2nd, say the vowel sounds. English has 5 main vowels, A, E, I, O, U, but they sound different in every word. Try this. Open your mouth wide and say ah like in car. Smile and say E like in see. Make a small circle with your lips and say ooh like in go. Repeat them slowly and clearly. This will help you sound more natural when speaking. 3, a native speaker's mouth. Play a short English video. Watch how the person's lips move. Try to copy their mouth movements exactly while saying the same words. This simple trick will train your mouth to pronounce words correctly, just like native speakers. Afternoon routine. Speak without fear. Afternoons are busy, but guess what? You can practice without changing your schedule. 1. Talk to yourself in English. No speaking partner? No problem. Look at an object around you and describe it in English. For example, this chair is very soft. I am wearing a blue shirt today. The weather is really nice outside. Speaking aloud will help your tongue get comfortable with English sounds. 2. Use the spoon trick. Hold a spoon between your lips and try to say a sentence. Sounds funny, right? But this method forces your mouth to work harder, making your pronunciation sharper. When you remove the spoon, try this sentence. I really want to improve my English pronunciation. It will feel strange at first, but after a few tries, your words will sound clearer. 3. Record yourself speaking. Take your phone, record a short sentence, and then listen to it. Does it sound right? Compare it with a native speaker and adjust your pronunciation. The more you do this, the better your accent will become. Evening routine. Listen, shadow, and sing. Evenings are the best time to train your ears and copy native pronunciation. 1. Listen and repeat. Pick a short English sentence from a podcast, audiobook, or video. Listen to how the speaker says it, then repeat it exactly the same way. Do this 3 times. 1st, listen carefully. 2nd, repeat slowly. 3rd, say it at the same speed as the speaker. This will help you sound more natural without memorizing anything. 2. Shadowing technique. What if I told you that you could speak like a native just by copying their words like a shadow? Here's how. Play a short English conversation. As soon as the speaker talks, repeat their words immediately without stopping the audio. Copy their tone, speed, and emotion. At first, it may feel difficult, but after a few days, your pronunciation will improve dramatically. 3. Sing your favorite English songs. Music is a secret pronunciation teacher. Pick a slow English song, read the lyrics, and sing along. Your mouth will learn the correct way to say words without thinking, just like native speakers. The final twist, the secret to clear speech. You might be wondering, the final twist, the secret to clear speech. Can I really improve my pronunciation at home? The answer is yes. The key is daily practice. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a special class. All you need is a few minutes every day, a mirror to see your mouth movements, a phone to record and listen to yourself. Imagine this, 1 month from now, you wake up, say a sentence in English, and suddenly you hear something different. Your words sound clear, your voice is confident, your pronunciation feels smooth and natural. And then boom! One day, someone says to you, "Wow, your English pronunciation is amazing." You smile because you know the truth. It wasn't difficult. It wasn't boring. You just practiced a little every day, and now you speak with confidence. The moral of the story: you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to sound exactly like a native speaker. You just need to practice every day. So are you ready to start? Try these techniques and see the magic happen.